to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the installation of Polo and Porpoise built-in air scrubbers produced by Inno Plus. Installation requirements for acid and alkali storage rooms. Door openings must be 2,400 mm wide and 2,200 mm high for easy access with acid or alkali bulk tanks. Pump, safety materials and emergency shower must always be free and accessible. The room must be large enough for equipment provided with free and easy access. Piping for the acid and alkali system must be a maximum of 15 meters to the point of injection. Ensure the pumps are free and clear to access. Acid. For chemical air scrubbers, we use sulfuric acid, H2SO4, of 96 to 98%. For biological air scrubbers, we use sulfuric acid of 37%. We use sodium hydroxide, NaOH, of 33%. All chemical hoses are protected by PVC piping with warning stickers. These are not glued together. For acid hose, we use PVDF, polyvinyl difluoride. And for the alkali hose, we use LDPE, low density polyurethane. Safety requirements. Provided is a face shield, including the holder, CB14, a front apron, acid resistant, PVC gloves, chemical resistant category 3, an eye wash bottle, including the wall bracket, an emergency shower. This requires a 32 mm PVC connection, 30 litres per minute at 3 bar. Always have water on the emergency system. All of the materials will be supplied. For general layout, 15 meters maximum from the pump to the injection point in the pressure line, above the pump. The emergency shower must be 90 litres per minute at 3 bar, uninterrupted. Chemical dosing systems are connected and commissioned by the system commissioning engineer. All safety materials must be present and working at all times. For further support, please contact us.